take out your literacy skill book and then take out page number 92. See here, action words. In last class you learned about action words, right? Like eating, reading, sleeping, playing, jumping, singing. So ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ ಅಂತ. So see here, fill in the blanks, choose the words from the list. What is Krish doing? What is Tanya doing? What is Anu doing? What is Tina doing? What is Sonu doing? See here. What is doing? He is eating, right? She is running. She is writing. And she is swimming. And then what Sonu doing? Singing. So see here children, there are some words given below. So you have to write the same word here. See here, Krish is eating. Eating. Right? What is Tanya doing? Tanya is running. Sorry. Running. What is Anu doing? Anu is writing. Yes? What is Tina doing? Tina is swimming. Swimming. Okay? What is Sonu doing? Sonu is singing. Singing. Okay? This way you have to write this action words. Okay, Makla? Now next. Simple actions. Look at the pictures. Answer the following questions. The sentences in the box will help you. What is Tom doing? Tom is reading a book. What is Mary doing? See here. Mary is eating an apple. An yak bantu makla? Because apple first letter is vowel. So that's why we should use an. If it is vowel, first letter we have to write an before that. Okay? What is man doing? What is the man doing? The man is walking. What is John doing? John is sleeping. Here there are some sentences. See here. You'll get the answer here only. See here. What you have to write? Tom is reading a book. What is Mary doing? Mary is eating an apple. You have to write the sentences here. Mary is eating an apple. Full stop. What is the man doing? The man is walking. See here. The man is walking. What is the John doing? John is sleeping. John is sleeping. Okay, this way you have to write. Okay children, this one you have to copy in your notebook. Idanna idral bardu admele you have to write the question, then you have to write the answer in the notebook. Okay. Oh, what is this? These are, circle the correct words. These are opposites. Fast, slow. Happy, sad. Tall, short. In, out. Big, small. Clean, dirty. Old, young. Thin, fat. Sweet, sour. Is this fast? No, the tortoise is slow. Is the girl is sad or happy? The girl is happy. ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ದ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. ಹಾಟ್, ವೆಟ್, ಕೋಲ್ಡ್. ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್? ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದ್ರಾಗ? ಹಾಟ್, ವೆಟ್, ಕೋಲ್ಡ್. ಹಾಟಿಗೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ವೆಟ್ ಆರ್ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್? ಹಾಟ್, ಹಾಟ್, ಕೋಲ್ಡ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಕೋಲ್ಡ್. ಅಪ್, ಅಪ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಡೌನ್. ಬಿಗ್, ಬಿಗ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ, ಸ್ಯಾಡ್. ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ತಂದು ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ನಗ್ತೀರಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಬಟ್ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಏನು ಕೊಡಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್, ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್. ಸೊ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎ ಟಾಲ್ ಆರ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಟಾಲ್. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಈಗ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೀವೇ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ದ ಔಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆರ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್? ಇನ್. ದ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್? Big, 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 big. The boy is wearing clothes. Are the clothes are clean or dirty? Clean. Oh, the girl is young or old? Is she old? No, she's young girl. Is the boy thin or fat? Thin. Oh, chocolate sour irutta makla? Sweet irutta, sour irutta? Sour iruttalla? No. Sweet. You have to circle it and then you have to write in the book like this. I'll show you one example. Hot, cold. ಇದೇ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಅಪ್, ಡೌನ್, ಫಾಸ್ಟ್, ಸ್ಲೋ, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ, ಸ್ಯಾಡ್, ಟಾಲ್, ಶಾರ್ಟ್, in, out, big, small, clean, dirty, old, young, thin, fat, sweet, sour. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಬರಿತೀರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಎಸ್? ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಯೋ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬರೆದು ನನಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಚೂಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಈಚ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. An elephant is big, but a rat is what? Rat is small. Howda? S-M-A-L-L, small. Okay, the fire is hot, but the ice cubes is hot or cold? Cold, right? The giraffe is tall, but a tortoise is short. Short. The man is fat, but the woman is thin. An aeroplane is fast, but a bullock cart is slow. Right? The same thing. Idanna neeve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You have to do this work at home. The girl is happy, but the boy is sad. The door is open, but the door is closed. Right? Shut. Shut anta bariri. Illi shut anta ide. A knife is sharp, but a spoon is blunt. A log is hard, but a leaf is soft. The cloth is dry, but the cloth is wet. Okay, this way you have to complete this. Okay ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಇದು ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೆದು ನನಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಓಕೆ, ಟಿಲ್ ದೆನ್ ಬೈ ಬೈ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್.